Hello and good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Chance of the aurora tonight, incoming clouds, rain, and even some snow for parts of the area. The latest in this version of Hutch's weather.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
Thanks so much for tuning in and trusting me with your weather information. Look at the clouds spreading overhead. Notice this southwest to northeast flow of the cloud cover heading into our evening hours, clearest in the south. And as we head into the early overnight hours, Minnesota and our southern counties will have the best chance at seeing the northern lights tonight, which could be quite brilliant and seen as far south as Iowa, the way things are looking. Now, here's a look at that storm system off to the west of us. As we take a look at the snow showers that have been taking place today out in parts of Montana, that system does continue to work its way through. Wind gusts approaching 40 miles per hour on this breezy day today. Now, a look at the forecast as we go through with the hour-by-hour style forecast. We're going to look at a couple of different things. Number one, where's this rain, sleet, and snow heading? And then after that, we'll take a quick peek at those clouds in the forecast as well for you Aurora watchers who may want to stay up late. Those clouds will be a factor for many of us. Let's go right to it. Now, as we go into this model's outlook on the forecast trend for the evening hours, this is what you're going to notice. Our showers out in Montana stay out in Montana for the better part of the overnight until we get to past midnight. Then they start sneaking into western portions of North Dakota. Now, a few snow showers in the elevated terrain can't be ruled out, and as we head towards daybreak, this is 7 a.m., a few spotty showers will be possible in our northern counties here in the Red River Valley and the Devil's Lake Basin. Look at the snow taking place in Montana and the western part of North Dakota. Not too much in the way of significant accumulation yet, but it's going to be ongoing. Low pressure in eastern South Dakota means those winds will be ripping from the north and from the east. However, in Minnesota, southerly and southeasterly winds bring the heat and the warmth to that area. That will fuel, watch this, afternoon thunderstorm development down in parts of southern Minnesota and the valley. So this area could see a strong thunderstorm as we go through. And look at the rain just kind of persisting up there in parts of northeast North Dakota, northwest Minnesota. Now look at the snow pushing into the Black Hills, and Nebraska will work its way across the state of South Dakota as we head into our Friday morning, and then work its way into, well, the central Dakotas and Minnesota with a decent chance at some late Friday and Saturday shards of snow. Now let's take a change and look at the chance for clouds as we go through the overnight hours. We showed you the satellite view. We'll have a chance of those spreading across the northern reaches of Minnesota. So the southern valley into southern Minnesota will have the best chance at viewing those tonight. If you are out in the western Dakotas, there'll be thicker cloud cover through the overnight hours. We'll have breaks here and there, so if you happen to be out, definitely check out towards the northern skyline. Now, as we go through towards daybreak, though, the chances will increase in southern Minnesota and the valley, but out to the west, not such a good chance there as those clouds will be pushing in. Here's a look then at your forecast information as we head into your overnight hours. Now, first thing to keep in mind is that we do have the chance of some showers working their way through. The aurora chance is a very good chance all the way as far south as Iowa, Nebraska, even portions of central and southern Wyoming, with the digits here for what's called the KP index being very high and a pretty active aurora possible for the night tonight. And again, a couple of things to keep in mind is that look low on the horizon to the north, kind of get away from those city lights. I like to go north of the city lights so there's no city lights between me and that aurora display. Good luck, and if you do, take a photo and upload it to hutchesweather.com. Here's what you need to know. Timeline of our storm system as we go into the morning hours. Scattered showers of rain diagonally across North Dakota with the best chance at maybe a couple of flakes mixing in the Bismarck zone. For us, it looks like rain showers. Showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon from the southern Red River Valley into central Minnesota, and just good old-fashioned rain showers across the northern Red River Valley with evening thunderstorms that could fire up in the late afternoon through the evening for southern Minnesota, including southwest Minnesota, south central Minnesota, and the Twin Cities as well. As we go through the evening, a couple of those storms may pipe up, fester up, and fizzle-dizzle into a severe situation. Severe thunderstorms not out of the question. All modes of severe weather will be possible tonight. Across the region, expect lows in the 40s, a little cooler in the far west, where the flakes will ensue by morning, and we'll have that chance of rain showers diagonally across the region into the Devil's Lake Basin to get you out the door. Then, as we head into your afternoon, look at the big temperature range. 70 to 80 degrees in southern Minnesota will fuel those thunderstorms with warm humidity And then as we go northward through Lakes Country, 60s, 50s here in Fargo, 40s Grand Forks, 40s northwest Minnesota, and we'll have temperatures close to 50 degrees through central North Dakota, with the rain showers in the afternoon pushing their way through eastern North Dakota into northern Minnesota, and thunder chances south and east of there. The 7-day planner shows that we have quieter weather as we go through Good Friday, but a cool one and still a little on the breezy side. Rebounding temperatures heading into your Easter Sunday, 61 wonderful degrees for your celebration of the Savior. As we take a look out to the next week time frame, temperatures not too bad, but increasing clouds and shower chances heading into your Tuesday as we go into next week. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks so very much. Hey, by the way, tomorrow, if you're tuning in, check out Hutch's Weather, because the weather kid this week, I cannot wait to introduce you to Merlin Carney. We'll be doing the weather from the showroom floor at Luther Family Ford. If you're interested in signing up, head on over to Luther Family Ford or head over to hutchesweather.com. And by all means, make sure you drop a comment to these brave young people that help Hutch try to tackle our wild weather here in the Northern Plains. hutchesweather.com, where you can upload your photos of, well, weather or the Aurora. Hint, hint. Thanks so much to all of you who have done so in the past. Follow on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, but have a wonderful Wednesday evening, and we'll see you again right here in the morning.